Hey there, automotive enthusiasts! Welcome back to WeeklyTools, the go-to place for all things cars. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about: the TOPDON ArtiDiag900 Lite Bi-Directional Scan Tool. If you're into DIY car diagnostics or just want to stay on top of your vehicle's health, this is a tool you don't want to miss. Stick around as we dive into the features and performance of this innovative diagnostic scanner. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. First off, let's talk about design. The ArtiDiag900 Lite is sleek, compact, and lightweight, making it easy to handle. The 8-inch touchscreen display is vibrant and user-friendly, ensuring a hassle-free navigation experience. It's like having a high-tech control center for your vehicle right in the palm of your hand. The ArtiDiag900 Lite is not just a scan tool, it's a powerhouse of advanced features, designed to meet the demands of both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Let's dive into what makes this tool stand out. Bidirectional control. One of the standout features of the ArtiDiag900 Lite is its bidirectional control capability. This means you not only get to read and clear trouble codes, but also have the power to take control of various vehicle components. From activating solenoids to testing sensors, this tool empowers you to interact with your vehicle's systems like never before. OL-level full system diagnostics. ArtiDiag900 Lite full system diagnostic scanner can scan all available modules: engine, transmission, airbag, ABS, ESP, TPMs, gateway, steering, radio, air conditioning, ECT, Toriad ECU info, read or clear codes, view live data stream, retrieves freeze frame, perform active tests, and more. With just a simple click, it provides you with accurate and in-depth diagnostics. The TOPDON scanner for cars supports 8 of the most popular services, including oil resets, throttle adaptation, EPB resets, steering angle resets, DPF regeneration, ABS bleeding, BMS resets, airbag resets, and the list is still growing. Offers daily service and maintenance to 99% global cars. Extensive vehicle coverage. No need to worry about compatibility. The ArtiDiag900 Lite boasts extensive vehicle coverage. Whether you drive a domestic or import vehicle, this scan tool is equipped to diagnose and troubleshoot a wide range of makes and models, ensuring you have the right tool for the job. The newest version of ArtiDiag900 Lite works on cars from 1996 to 2023, 60-plus models, 10,000-plus cars coverage, and 12 languages. Support 1-year warranty and 2-year free software updates. Navigating through the ArtiDiag900 Lite is a breeze thanks to its intuitive user interface. The crystal-clear display provides real-time data and easy-to-understand graphics, ensuring you can quickly and confidently diagnose issues without the need for extensive training. Say goodbye to cumbersome cables. The ArtiDiag900 Lite offers wireless connectivity, allowing you to move freely around your vehicle while still maintaining a stable and reliable connection. This feature enhances convenience and flexibility, making your diagnostic experience seamless. Of course, there are many scan tools out there, but the ArtiDiag900 Lite stands out with regular software updates. TOPDON is committed to keeping this tool up to date with the latest vehicle models and diagnostic capabilities. It ensures that you're not left in the dark when new technologies hit the road. Here are some pros and cons about ArtiDiag900 Lite. Pros: bidirectional control, extensive vehicle coverage, advanced features, user-friendly interface, powerful hardware, additional bonuses. Cons: cost. The ArtiDiag900 Lite is not the cheapest scan tool on the market, making it a bigger investment for casual users. Complexity: limited repair data library. In conclusion, the TOPDON ArtiDiag900 Lite bidirectional scan tool is a powerful and versatile companion for any car enthusiast or professional mechanic. Its bidirectional capabilities, extensive vehicle coverage, and user-friendly interface make it a standout choice in the world of automotive Diagnostics. If you want to take control of your vehicle's health, this is the tool for you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to WeeklyTools, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things automotive. Until next time, happy diagnosing!